In this video, we will learn how to get this trending a little about myself Instagram template and create a Instagram story like this. Welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. If you've seen these stories that your friends or family members share on Instagram and you want to create a story just like that, then follow my steps and watch the video until the very end. So firstly, you want to make sure that your Instagram application is updated to the latest version. You can do that by opening your App Store if you are an iOS user, or the Google Play Store if you are on Android. After you check if Instagram is updated, you can open it, and we have to go over to the search bar and search for an Instagram page that's called Add Your Stickers, and make sure that it has a text that says, Add Your Stickers by Astrida. That is the Instagram account that we want to open, because that's where we will find our template. You can also follow this account, because it has a lot of different Add Your Stickers, and all that other stuff that you can use for your Instagram stories. Since we need the A Little About Myself sticker, we will open the Instagram highlight that's called AYST2 and go through this highlight until you can find the sticker that we are looking for. Our sticker looks like this, and we can just tap on this Add Yours button that's going to open the template in our story camera. You can now upload a photo that you want to use for this trend, and then start filling in the information that you can then share with your friends. You can share your favorite animal, favorite drink, shoe size, height, age, music taste, and more. After you fill this in, you can then share this with your followers on Instagram or TikTok. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.